Hey, what's up? Just finished a duck hunt with some friends and I shot a really nice pintail, so I'm going to take it to the taxidermist, and I wanted to show you how to preserve it, prep it for taking it to the taxidermist, because there's definitely a right way and a wrong way to do this. So here is the pintail. Pretty nice stud pintail. I don't shoot too many of them, so I thought this would be a good opportunity to mount this. His wing's a little kind of, I don't want to say broken, but it's not perfect. So I'm going to do like a sitting pose on him, and it'll be really good though. He's got really good colors. He's got a pretty good sprig. So anyway, we will see if I can do this. Let's put this set up. Okay, so you're going to need a Ziploc bag to put it in. This one's a 2-gallon. It's really big. You need as big as possible, as big as you can get. This is from Target. It's actually a little bigger than the 2-gallon, so I will be putting it in this. So the normal size, it's not really that good. So you need an oversized bag, some water. I'm not doing this inside my kitchen. My fiance said I cannot. So then you need some paper towels. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to cover the bill. It's a little windy out here. We're going to cover the bill, the head and eyes, and the feet, and then we're going to place it in the freezer bag. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this. You want to wet it, okay? And I've seen guys, they'll take and they'll ball up. They'll take little balls and put the little balls in the mouth. I don't necessarily do that. I don't think I did it on my other one, and my bird guide, he didn't say anything, but you can. So let's see if I can make a little ball. Get his mouth open. Sealed. And so you'll just take this, and you'll put this in here, like so. Okay. Okay, this time I'm going to cover the bill. And this wind really picked up. And I just have it covered like this, you know, this is just so it doesn't, I don't know, get freezer burn and whatnot. So next I'll cover up his eye. don't have to wet that. I haven't in the past, so. Next, we're going to do the feet. Same thing. We're just going to take a paper towel and wet it. And I like to get all the way up here as high as I can. And essentially that's it. And place him in the bag. And then I'll just put him in the freezer and I'll take it to him either tomorrow or whenever he's available or whatnot. So, and then he'll take care of the rest or whatnot. So anyway, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Preserve your bird or whatnot. So, till the next one.